Hello everyone, we are here to review this watch which is original W37 Pro, the 7 series watch. So we are here to review and unbox the watch. So let's unbox the watch first. So in box we have a user manual which is actually helpful for user to understand different features of watch and different buttons, and then how we can connect the watch with mobile phone. So this manual comes in English and Chinese, helpful for users. Then we have a magnetic charger, which is a wireless charger for watch. It supports a USB port, can be plugged with any laptop, USB or some USB adapter. If we pull out the watch, so let's see. Yeah, it's really nice strap, pretty much better build quality, really soft, nice strap. So pull it out. So you can see like the screen is really very smooth and nice. I mean, just just look like Gorilla Glass, but actually not. And really smooth and nice screen. At the back end, at the back of the watch, we have a glass-coated screen, which contains the sensor and the wireless charging support. So it's an aluminum frame with 1.75 HDTFT screen. This watch supports different features or functions, like it has Bluetooth call and answer feature. We have connected the watch through Bluetooth with the mobile phone, either iOS or Android. So we can answer the call from here, or we can call using a dialer. Then it supports message notifications, push notifications, like if we are getting any WhatsApp, Skype or messages on mobile, we will get notifications here and we can see and reply. Then it has sleep monitoring feature, which monitors the number of hours you're sleeping. Then it has multiple sports data related records, like you are walking, doing some gym or different activities, so it records those. Then it has major health features like heart rate monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, and some other small features like stopwatch, alarm clock, calculator. If we talk about the battery, it has 230 milliampere battery, which is really nice and cool. It lasts for 2 to 3 days if it is connected with mobile, but if we are in watch mode only, it goes for 7 to 10 days. So if we talk about this build buttons, we have two buttons here. Both are used to power on and off the watch. Then we have a small microphone. On the other side, we have a small speaker to listen the music, once we have answered a call, we can hear from here. And then this is the microphone to talk on the call. So let's on the watch by pressing this for 3 to 5 seconds. So watch is on. So we can see the default watch face. This watch comes with 5 default watch faces, and further we can download from mobile using the app which supports or connects with the watch. So we can download there and apply here, and also we can customize some watch faces. So if we talk about the watch, its touch is really smooth and nice. There is no lag on the screen. If we scroll down, we can see the Bluetooth call connected or Bluetooth call connection feature. Then we have always on display feature. We have lock screen, power button, sorry. Then we have settings button and button to switch between ring and vibration mode. And here we have messages section. If we are getting messages or notifications, we can see here. Here we can see the last opened applications, and we clicking this we can scan through mobile and open the relevant application to connect with. And we have heart rate monitor, weather widget, music widget, and then we can also add some more widgets here. So if we go to menu, we can see this button. Pressing this button twice, it will change the menu style. I mean, currently we have 9 icons. We can tap it twice and we can see this menu option. We can zoom in or zoom out it, and we can double tap and see another mode. So also we can open here the contacts. Actually it is not connected with the phone, that's why we are having this message. It's asking to connect with the phone, so we can see contacts, call, answer call, heart rate, blood pressure monitor. Here is the blood pressure monitor, so let me see. So these are the sensor lights which actually detects and monitors the health and different activities. So let me use it over here. Yeah, so it's monitoring the blood pressure. Really nice watch. I mean, it seems I have not wearing any watch. It's really nice and soft, lightweight, easy to use. So we can monitor different activities like push-ups, sit-ups, swimming, indoor, outdoor. So overall, it's a very nice build quality, very good watch. I strongly recommend you this watch for all of those who want to enjoy 7 series watch, but with the low budget. Really nice one. Best of luck and strongly recommended. Thank you.